This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay, let's start. So, in today's class, I will explain about Tomcat and mail configuration. Okay, yeah, can you please launch one more server? Yeah, now log into that. Yeah, okay. Set the host name as Tomcat. Oh, okay, so here I'm installing Tomcat now. Yeah, follow this. Follow that. So guys, till now what we did, we created the package, we verified the quality of the code, then we upload it into Nexus, right? Now we have to install that var file is there, right? It's a web page, guys. Web page will be there in web server. So this is web server. Tomcat is the web server. Okay, na? I'm going to copy that var file into Tomcat server so that I can see that web page. So Java web pages we can see via, we can host via Tomcat. That is what I'm doing now. Come down. No, this step not required. Come down. Come down. Come down. Actually, this now here, this one above, this one. Copy that command. Hmm. So they will help you, application team, what things they need and all. It's not our responsibility. Application team will be there, right? They will manage this. What application, what packages they need, how to configure. But as a DevOps admin, you should know the basic thing. Hmm. Now open this file. Hmm. Go to last line. We have to use don't press insert mode immediately. Shift G will take you to last line. Shift G means capital G. uh, Here what he is saying, so in between Tomcat user block, okay na, we have to add this line. Copy the middle line, this line, copy this middle line, only middle line, because above and below already there. Hmm. uh, Capital O, capital O will create a new line, guys, above to the current line, not small o. Capital O, I said capital O. Wait. Yeah, now paste it. Okay. So you are setting the username and password, guys, for your web page, for your website. So for Tomcat, not for website. Okay. Now save this. Now restart your Tomcat service. Systemctl start. Actually, we haven't start, right? Yeah. Systemctl start Tomcat. Enable also. Okay. Now go to EC2 console. And what is the port number for Tomcat, guys? What is the port number for Tomcat? 8080. I don't know how many following my Google Drive, guys. You have to follow my Google Drive. for interview questions, for tasks. There are so many things available, running notes, everything available there. You have to go through with that, guys. Not only for Jenkins, I'm saying for everything. Okay, na. So please make sure that. Can you check the status of the Tomcat? Okay, it is up and running only. Ports also open properly. Okay. Give me the IP address. 3 dot 93
3
dot
dot 23 dot
22 colon 88. Meteorological.
Sir, can you check the security group once? Is that open correctly?
Yeah, it's open correct only. Hmm, 80, 80 only, right? Correct only. These are application related logs, guys. Just I'm checking. Maybe if we get any evidence why you're not getting. Yeah. So website is working. The path is wrong actually. Okay, now basically, for every application there will be one file, right, guys? Like if it is HTTPD, we have varlib HTTP, var www.html. In the same way, it seems the path is changed. Previously, it was under web apps only directly. Okay, so pages will be available under web apps folder only. But it seems now he changed it to docs folder. I don't know. Maybe it's version to version, right? So version to version it is different. So which version we installed actually now? If you install, which version it is? Hmm, okay, so maybe if you check in server side, you will come to know that.
Let's check
RPM
and check.
hyphen QA grep tomcat
Tomcat
in
7.
tomcat 7. Okay, but generally the file should be available under web apps folder. బట్ కొంచెం మాడిఫై జరిగినట్టుంది ఇది ఇంకా అప్లికేషన్ సైడ్ మనకు సంబంధం లేదు సో దే యాడెడ్ డాక్స్ ఫోల్డర్ ఆల్సో సి సో వెన్ ఐ సే డాక్స్ మై వెబ్సైట్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ ఓకేనా దట్ వెబ్ పేజ్ ఈస్ accessible now. Okay, now Tomcat is running, so that official website you got it. Some maybe I don't know which is the official page. In this. There are so many HTML pages, right? So one of the web page open. So here in this folder I have to maintain my var file now. Okay, na? So that your web page will work now. So let's copy this. So here my target is, can you please open your paint session? Okay. So my target is so this is my Jenkins server. This is my development. I mean, from where I'm developing. This is my slave machine. This is my Sonar server. This is my Nexus server. This is my Tomcat server. Okay, na? So and this is my repository. This is the like overview of our job, guys. So every time developer committing the code. So poll sim is happening. So it will connect the job. It will connect in the backend. Launch method SSH. So the job will trigger here, and the code checkout happen first. Okay, code checkout happen here. Code checkout happen here. Now we integrated Sonar with Jenkins with the help of plugin. Okay, so now Sonar Cube in any job I can use because I integrated with Jenkins directly. But Nexus I integrated with slave machine, if you remember, right? It only works in this slave machine whatever the jobs you configure. Now Tomcat. So Tomcat also I can do in two ways. I can configure with Jenkins or else your job, your slave. It's up to you. So I'm going to configure with my slave machine. So here my var file is generating every time. Okay, so that var file I have to upload here. I have to deploy here in the Tomcat server. So that web page will be visible to the customer. Okay, Najim. Basically, application settings and all they will take care. Even I don't have much idea about these all these files and all. Okay, na. So generally in web apps folder itself, all the var files will be available. Even I have to open the same web apps file. There only I have to keep. Let's see that. So how to send that var file from here to here, guys? For every application there will be procedure, right? For this application also, both are Linux machines, right? Both are Linux machines. Now my Tomcat, my slave machine also Linux machine, and this also Linux machine. So how to upload the WAR file? So guys, Linux to Linux, I want to copy the file. How do you do that? Two Linux machines. Hmm? Guys, two Linux machines.
By using SSH.
By using SSH. SSH is to connect. To copy, we need SCP. But that too, it should be without password. Why? Because I want to do automation. I don't want to again use password every time. Can you please log into slave machine as well? Now go to your workspace. What is your workspace? cd slash root cd space slash root slash workspace slash your job name. What is your job name? Avinash Ravi. Now do ls. So this is your workspace, and here under the target folder, okay, you will get your WAR file every time. So you have to copy this WAR file to your Tomcat server. So SCP is the command, guys. Okay, so SCP. Actually, I'm giving. Let's give full path. So later for SCP. Okay, what? So it is not local copy, right? Remote copy. So I need IP address of the second server, Tomcat server. The system is very slow today. What is the web apps folder? Can you make it the other one is also Tomcat? Actually, it's here. Yeah. So I need Okay, so this is the path actually, and it should not ask any username and password. So I'm going to set up that first. Of course, by default anyway it is not possible. Why? Because except initially, except EC2 user, no one can log in with your server, right? Now let me do. So I'm going to generate keys for root user also. I'm root user now, right? I'm going to generate keys for root user also. This is the command, guys. To generate keys, this is the command. See, if you read carefully, there are two files getting created by doing this. See, you have this under the root home directory .ssh folder. Okay, there are two files gets created. So one file, this second file. This file already will be there. Okay, now when you run that command, I got this public and private keys. Let me copy this public key. Okay, so guys, here from slave machine, when I do SSH or SCP, okay, na, it should not ask any username and password. That is what I am doing. This method is called as passwordless authentication. General mechanism, guys, not related to Jenkins or Tomcat. From one server to another server, if you want to connect without password, okay, now generally for automation purpose, we use this method. Okay, here also in Tomcat server, go to /root .ssh folder. Okay, na? Here you have authorized keys files. Small o, create a new line. Actually, all this is one line only. Because of the length, it is showing in that many lines. So make sure that you copy the key from slave machine to, okay, your Tomcat server properly. Copy properly. Make sure that it is from here. Okay, now. So most of the guys without insert mode, they will try to paste. So there will be conflict, like issues in the copy paste. Please, guys, be careful, and they will come to me. Sir, this is not working. I showed you properly. Now, if it is not working, means it is your mistake. Okay. Now let's do this. It should not ask any password now. I think you are I something network problem also there today. See, I copied successfully into web apps folder. So every time I have to copy my files into web apps folder. Actually, web apps folder only, but I don't know, somehow it docs folder also there for in this Tomcat server. It's up to them. Again, it's not our job. They will tell you in which folder they have to maintain the web pages. So I maintain. Now, if they open the web page, okay, now if they open those web pages, they can see those website. They will configure. Okay, now how the web page should be. Okay, so they will create the rules and all, so that when they open the web page now, okay, now with this IP address and all, so they can see that it will be something like this. Now let's see. Maybe you know that. Any chance did you get that page here? Anybody, do you know about the Tomcat, guys? Tomcat గురించి ఐడియా ఉంది ఎవరికైనా? So generally I used to place in web apps folder only, but it seems the configuration is changed now. Okay, so తెలుసా ఎవరికైనా వెబ్ యాప్స్ గురించి, టామ్కాట్ గురించి తెలుసా?
Sir, can you paste that WAR file in devops and try?
Okay, then maybe let's do that. Instead of docs folder, okay, let's try directly also. No, we'll move it. Move. Okay, so one directory outside, right? Hmm. Double dot means previous directory, guys. Yeah, I copied into here. Let's try that now. I'm not sure whether it will work or not. Hmm.
The Tomcat 7 has some problems, sir.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes, if you go with the older version, then that is fine.
Do you know Tomcat, about Tomcat?
No, sir, some bit of idea because at the time of installation, we are working like that way.
Yeah. Okay. So generally under web apps folder only we used to manage. So then you will get that web page, guys. But the configuration change అయినట్టుంది. Even I don't have that idea. So application team will help you where to place that WAR file. Okay, na? So you will get the web page here, like whatever the web page you developed, right? Actually, this web page is kind of a login page. Okay, na? So I thought it will open, but no. Somewhere like where I have to place, even I am not sure right now. Why? Because for previous classes and all, I used to place under web apps only. So I used to see the web page also. But ఇప్పుడు configuration change అయింది. So where should I place? Even I don't have idea. So application team will help you. So this is what one a full picture, guys. Every time then developer written some web page, some code, immediately my Jenkins will come to know that it will connect to my slave machine. My job will be triggered and it will check out the code here. So quality check, Nexus upload, it will upload into Tomcat and the mail notification also. Okay, so let me show you the mail notification also, how to configure mail notification so that every time you will get the mail also. Can you please relog in? Sign in. Here, go to dashboard. So I want to get mail notification also. I don't want to keep on watch job is completed or not and all. What is the status and all. Simple. So I want to get notification. Okay. So generally, guys, in your office, you have your own mail server. Okay. Now, right now, like it's for practice purpose, right? I will show for Gmail settings. Gmail SMTP settings. So from Jenkins, I want to use my Gmail, right? So I need these settings. Okay, so these settings. smtp.gmail.com. Come down somewhere, mail notification will be there. Mail. Gmail. smtp.com. Port number is 465. Click on advanced. Can you please add your Gmail credentials? Add your Gmail address. Generally, we don't use Gmail, personal mails. You have your office email. Okay, group email. That email only you will use. Wait. Password it won't take. Actually, for security purpose, Gmail they disable the login from other application. That is not Gmail application, right? You cannot use password directly. Can you log into the Gmail? Same account. Which email you are using, that account. Is it the same email?
Yes, sir. First ID.
Manage your Google account. Security. Come down. Come down. Wait. Can you please enable this two-step verification? Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Again, go back to the same place. Security. Now under the two-step verification, you can see app passwords.
Yes, sir.
Click on it. Here other, say Jenkins. Generate. So one token you will get. So this token only you have to use because Jenkins is not Gmail application, right? Copy this now.
Yes, sir.
Go to your Jenkins and save that somewhere, because wherever you have to like use this Gmail configuration, you should use this. Okay, now go. Hmm. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to your Jenkins configuration now. Hmm. Paste. Hmm. Now description. ID it will generate automatically. Gmail username, something like that, whatever. Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Add it. Add it now. Okay. Now select that. Okay. Use SSL. So all these details I got it from this only, guys. I opened this one, right? Okay. From here I got these details. What I am typing there. Okay. Come down little bit slowly. Ah, here it is @gmail dot. Scroll up. This one @gmail.com. Come down slowly. Yeah, this is done. One more setting also there. Just a minute. Here also same. Wait. smtp.gmail.com. Gmail.com. Use SSL. Hmm. Provide your username. Same Gmail and same token. Hmm. Then I hope token only you given, not password, right?
Yeah, also, sir.
Hmm. You should not give the password. It should be token because it's not Gmail application. Hmm. Okay, next to 465. Come down. So we can test also. Can you give any mail address? Anything. You will get test mail. Give the same email, no problem. And to click on test configuration. Yeah. Okay. Now save this. So you should have received one test email. Can you please check that? Yeah. See, test email received. Now go to your job. That means your mail configuration is successful. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Open your job now. Open your job. It seems you have network problem little bit.
Yes.
It's very slow today. Hmm. Open your configure button. So guys, tomorrow I need all this stuff. Whoever is going to share, okay, now I need everything. Come down, go to the end of the file, end of the job. Yeah, add post build actions, editable email notification. Here, default recipients, right? So let's change this. You can give your email address like this job related, who application team, database team. So you can give multiple IP addresses here. Give one IP address, anyone?
And we system
Huh? Give different
filter.
IP address. Yours, any one IP address. Give that.
System.
Any email address. Give any email address. Have you given?
No, sir, no, sir.
Uh, you have other email address, right? Just give one of the email address.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you can give comma separated as many as your wish. Okay, come down, come down, come down, come down. The system is very slow today. Okay, come down, come down, come down, come down. Yeah, click on advanced settings. Click on advanced settings.
If you wait for a while, I'll change my network. Sir.
I'm sorry.
I'll change my network to another network.
Okay, not now. Now it's fine. It's almost done. Okay. So when you want to get an alert, so as of now, it's very slow, slow. As of now, just close these two. Can you close these two? Red button is there, right? Yeah, failure, any developers, just close them. Now, guys, we have to add the trigger when you want to get the alert. Okay, so I'm giving always. So for every job, I will get the alert. Remove these developers. Okay, and save this now. No, don't remove that recipient list.
No, I did not remove it.
Yeah, save it now.
I save it. Complete.
Okay, guys. See, now my job is configured. Can you please trigger the job now? Actually, we haven't added that step also, SCP step also. Click on configure step. Go to the build steps. Build step. Build step, not build environment. Come down. Okay. So guys, here we have to add that SCP step also. Okay. So from like we did in Tomcat, right? But as of now, okay, let's save it. First, we'll test the mail notification. Save Save and send, save and trigger the job as of now. Maybe you can add that later. I have to leave now. Save. Yeah. Now trigger the job. So every time now onwards, you will get the mail notification, guys. Save it, and trigger the job. Build now option. Have you triggered it? Click on build now option. That's what. Wait. Now once the job is, it doesn't matter every time because I given always, right? So every time I will get the notification now onwards whenever my job is triggered. Okay, I no need to look into my console. What is the status of the job and all. Okay, so every time. So what will happen? What is the flow, guys? Complete flow here for this job. So when developer commit the code, immediately my Jenkins will come to know that because of the poll SCM, and the job will be triggered here. It will integrate the latest code. It will build an application here, and it will run the sonar check. It will upload into Nexus. It will upload into web apps folder, Tomcat folder. Then finally notification. This is the flow, guys. This is the complete job. Maybe depends on your requirement. You can add the test cases. Okay, now the tester will add those unit tests. So they will take care. They will give the commands to us. We'll add those commands also. This is the complete flow for one of the job, the Java application. This is a future job, guys. Okay, now so there will be development server, testing server. That is separate later. So once this future is fully completed, daily we do the same thing. Once it is fully completed, then we merge the code from this future to development branch. So immediately development, in development there nothing will be there, just simple building and deploying. Maybe you may have like one or two commands related to application and all, because everything we are making in future job itself. Okay, na? So this is how our flow will be. Yeah, so we'll discuss about this in tomorrow class then. Okay, so like make sure that you have all this set up without fail. Okay, guys, I have to leave now. Okay, we'll discuss things in tomorrow class. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Bye.